What's up, guys? My name is Justin Rose. This is my 2019 Ram 1500. It's sitting on a technically a 6-inch Beltec lift, but I have it stretched to 11.5-inch body.
I check that out, man.
So we're sitting at 13 inches overall of suspension height. I got the bulletproof coilover. It's made by Icon Dynamics.
Wow.
Sitting on 26 by 16 KG1 forge on 38.
How many? 26 inches?
26 by 16s.
Wow.
On 38s amps MTs.
Nice.
I got these custom step pads made from Odell Creek Customs on Facebook.
Oh yeah.
Inside here we got.
Oh, you got the camo.
Yeah, I got some seat covers. I got DC audio in the doors.
Nice.
I got custom A-pillars made from a guy named Jujan Chubar from Russia. He's a builder.
Really?
He builds custom like whole door panels and everything. But he made me those. He's big in audio, if you know.
Here we go again.
He's a big audio guy, so he builds all kinds of custom stuff for all vehicles. So
Nice.
He's pretty cool. Back here we got where the magic happens.
Whoa.
Yes, sir.
Here's the brain right here.
It's a 48 amp hour skib bank. Now this is just for the audio. I'm charging it at 15.8 DC audio, 9.5K, 9.5K amplifier, wired at half ohm, and I'm pushing two. Okay. I'm running two DC audio level 6 15s and a 6-order blow through.
Wow.
Tire chuck sound deadening. I got foam and all back here, all on the headrest. Well, around on the braces and the headliner. Whole bunch of 2-aught, 1-aught wire. Here, I'll show you the back. Full paint to match. Everything's painted to match. Pull Z hitch.
Okay.
Good. Pull Z hitch with the custom plate.
Man.
Custom mat.
You really got it all here. Wow.
Just stained wood blow through, 6-order.
Well, thank you very much.
Thank you, man.
Appreciate it. Jake.
Hey Dan, this is John with Deep South Focus. Thanks for coming up here to Talladega and braving this beautiful weather.
Yeah.
Can't wait to come over and take some photos of your vehicle.
Thank you, man.
All right.
And love your truck again. And who are these lovely people over here?
This is my twin sister Jennifer on the left and my employee Lisa on the right.
Cool. Hello there. Thank you.
Yeah, well, that's some neat old history. I'm glad to see this.
Here.
1932 Ford Roadster pickup.
Wow. And who's it by?
Goolsby Customs,
And where are they located?
Hueytown, Alabama.
Hueytown, Alabama.
Yes, sir.
It's close by, right?
Yeah, about 45 minutes away.
Okay.
Yep.
Cool. And I like your old school look here.
Thank you, sir. So it's a little bit of Ford, but it's also Oldsmobile inspired.
Well, that is an Oldsmobile, yeah.
Yep, so it's got an Oldsmobile motor.
Is that a 331 or something? Or what?
It started out life as that, yes, sir.
Right. Okay. So it's an Oldsmobile engine?
Yeah, Oldsmobile engine, built by Ross Racing Engines. He specializes in all the Oldsmobile engines there.
Wow, we like Oldsmobile.
Yep. And if you walk in the inside and the interior there,
There's the Gooseby thing.
you can see more of the Oldsmobile inspiration from the gauge cluster.
Oh yeah, the gauge
to
cluster.
the steering wheel.
Oh yeah, you guys really picked up on your little thing there.
Yes.
That's great.
So this truck competed for.
Say it again.
I said this truck competed for the AMBR.
America's Most Beautiful Roadster.
That is correct in 2017.
Really?
Yep.
Well, I can see why, because it's beautiful.
Thank you.
Plus, it's different enough. It captures.
Yeah,
the
it's
60s.
It's very 60s kind of custom inspired.
And I love the 60s.
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah.
Yep. And also the treatment of the beauty rings and the hubcaps. They are Oldsmobile as well.
Wow.
Just to kind of fit the whole.
It's
56 Chevy, man. Wow, look at this. Something else. '32 Model A.
Out of Vail, North Carolina. I did a job for a customer and found this truck in a field, paid $800 for it.
That's a good
It had
price.
a V6 5-speed.
I don't see a V6 in there now.
No, it was 4.3 and then it blew up and I said, well, I'm going to go ahead and stick a 5.3 LS motor in. I was building for the tailgate tour. So I did the GM tailgate tour back in March. Went from Hickory, North Carolina area to Myrtle Beach.
So say that again. I just
Went from Hickory, did a GM tailgate tour back in March. Went from Hickory, North Carolina to Myrtle Beach to Charleston to Savannah to Jacksonville, Florida.
whoa.
And then Jacksonville to Daytona. So this truck's been to 5 racetracks.
Really?
Yeah, 5 different racetracks.
Now just tell me the story about the Napa helmet here. This is the coolest thing in here.
I actually started looking for a Napa hat, and nobody had them. Then a friend of mine, through a friend of his up in New York,
Start again one more time.
I was actually looking for a Napa hat because this truck's kind of period correct for the Napa delivery trucks. So a friend of mine, through a friend of his in New York, had one. So he mailed it to me for $350. You know, they're going for about $500, but I wanted to find a Napa hat for it to make it go with the truck.
Let's say that one more time.
The truck, they used to use it on the farm to haul trash with and mulch and stuff. So with the patina look and all, so I wound up calling it white trash.
There we go. Cool. Well, thank you very much.
And I got a,
Go ahead. Keep going.
I've got a built 5.3 motor in it that I built. Very first motor I ever built.
Check that out. Wow, that's nice. So you built the motor yourself?
Yes, sir. I did every bit of the work myself.
I give you full credit for that.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I did all this myself. It started off, we went to Nashville Motor Speedway for C10s and Nationals last October. And that was the first trip it went on with me.
Alright everybody, this is Dan's Hot Rod channel. We are here at the Talladega. Paddling Bama. Garage 39. There's my buddy Dan wheeling and dealing. We're here with the rat horse.
Yeah, so we've had alcohol injected jack and stuff. So a lot of that stuff I'm very familiar with.
Okay, we are close to countdown. And we got Mr. James driving here.
He's the pilot,
He's the pilot and you are the chief engineer.
chief engineer. Everything thanks to KB Performance. If you're
KB Performance, and where are they located?
in Hueytown, Alabama, they make all this happen. And for us, Speed Parts are our #1 parts distributor in Alabama. Go to KB Performance. They're on the web. Get a wholesale price. If you happen to mention that you also heard it on 101 Drag Race Central FM.
Hang on 1 second. Okay, keep it going. And are you what you yeah? What is your name?
Hey, AKA Chris Rogers, the Alabama Flash. We stepped it up. From
He
Fultondale
stepped in. It
Flash.
used to be the Fultondale Flash. You may have known him as the Fultondale Flash, but
Yeah,
with this funny car, he's
we stepped it up to big time.
yeah. There you go. And how about that guy in there? What do you say, James? Can you talk?
Yeah, man.
Are you having the time of your life or what?
You got that right. You rock it.
Hang on 1 second, Mister. Are you having the time of your life?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, give me a thumbs up. All right. Okay. All right, we're ready.
What's turbo?
What's turbo? What do you mean?
Where's turbo button?
Oh, don't you worry. There's going to be one automatic.
Yeah.
All right, so both switches up. All right, hit the switch to start it. All right, both switches are on, right? All right, okay. Hang on.
Usually starts on the third time.
Hang on.
Come on. What do you say, James?
That's awesome, brother. Ready to burn the wheels off of it?
The idle on it's a little low. We may have to get something to adjust the idle on this.
I was running about, the oil pressure was running about 75.
What'd your temperature get up to on the head?
Never
came up?
Didn't get above 140.
Good deal.
Is that good?
Everything's good.
Man, shake my hand.
You might have to help me out. Let's see. Here you go. I'm gonna hand you my cell phone. I got my line straight right there.
It's not completely straight.
Okay.
So just
Right there.
throw it on there and you might have to play with it a little bit.
Yeah, I'll feel for it here.
I think it's to the left.
That feels good. Man, this chassis is almost made for me.
Actually,
Of course, that's probably 20 pounds lighter would help a whole bunch.
actually, the guy that drove it was a little stocky, just
a little stockier than
well,
me.
well, just about your build.
Okay.
Feeling good about it?
Like I said, I ran a rail dragster that was, similar to cage wise as this funny car. So yeah.
Feeling good about it, huh?
Oh yeah, looks good. I believe this would be a lot of fun. This would put a smile on a man's face.
Well, put a smile on his, just starting it up. Am I right?
That's it.
Am I right?
To start her up. As soon as the news gets here, we're gonna.
Here we go.
Action.
Here's the Alabama Flash right here. Putting some Ajax in there.